A first for us here at Willies Custom Accessories at Akins in Winder, Georgia. New body style Ram 1500. This is a Laramie Longhorn. Finally got a level kit installed. Went with a 33.5-inch Toyo open country AT2 tire on the factory 20-inch Longhorn wheel. And I don't care what your brand is, if you're a Ford guy or a Chevy or GMC or even a Nissan, you gotta show some love towards this right here. This truck looks great. Love the new body style and design, and definitely leveling it and putting a little all-terrain aftermarket tire on it truly just takes it to a whole nother level. Just wanted to share it with you. We've added, it already had power deploy running boards. We put a Pace Edwards bed cover on it. Look how low profile that is. Looks great. We didn't go with WeatherTech on this one because the Laramie Longhorn floor mats look great. So just a nice clean look, leveled, all-terrain tires, bed cover, window tint. Just want to bring it to you. Willies Custom Accessories.